Hey everyone, so I am starting off by brushing through my brows with a spoolie, and then I'm going to be using the Brow by Benefit in shade 2 to fill in my eyebrows. And to do that I'm going to be using the Lottie London shadow brush, I believe it's called. I kind of like to keep mine clogged up a little bit with the product because it makes the brush flatter and more precise basically. So I'm starting off by just creating that one line at the top of my brow and really getting that shape. This is a good brow day. I do have bad brow days, trust me. Yeah, then I'm just blending in from the bottom upwards. This is really hard to explain. I'm so glad you can see what I'm actually doing because, yeah, I'm awful at explaining things. But yeah, I basically just keep doing little tiny strokes, just blending that colour down, making sure there's no harsh lines, adding a little bit more product, building up gradually. And I try and make sure that it's not too blocky at the front as well. And then going up underneath. Now I like quite a sharp tail, so I try to keep my tail end quite thin. So I'm just combing through them just to make sure the product is all blended out, no harsh lines like I keep saying. Then any leftover product I'm just wiping off on the back of my hand because we are going to carve out my brows with concealer. This is like my favourite part of doing my entire face. I love this so much. It just really brings everything together. So just popping a bit on the back of my hand and then picking some up on the brush. And then I'm placing it underneath my eyebrow, but I'm trying to avoid touching the hairs, if that kind of makes sense, because I don't want to actually make my eyebrows like clogged up with concealer. So yeah, again, it's just like not having that harsh line. And then yeah, this is literally my favourite part. Oh my god. Just creating that like really sharp underneath, and then what I like to do is bring it down into my eyeshadow. So as you can see, it's kind of made my eyeshadow like not blended out anymore. That's because in a minute I'm going to take a nice big blendy brush and blend that eyeshadow out and upwards. And I swear to God, before doing this, my eyeshadow kind of looked half blended, like not really. But yeah, ever since I've started doing this, it's just the finished look is just so much more blended out. Like seriously, like this is one of the things that's really helped me up my game. Anyway, I'm waffling now, so yeah, just comb through them again, and that's pretty much it. Here we go, here's the blendy part. Just blend, 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 blend. See? Oh my god, it looks so much better. You can actually tell if I just pop in a freeze frame, you can see that the right eyeshadow is just so much more blended out compared to the left. That is why I love doing it. So yeah, I just done the right eyebrow. That would be my right eyebrow, yeah. So now I'm just blending that out. And oh my god, I love how flawless it makes it look. Now I'm just finishing them off with some brow gel. This is by Browcote and it is literally like hairspray for eyebrows. I was using the Benefit brow gel and this is like so much better. It's incredible. I love it. So this next bit I actually uploaded to Instagram and I had to screen record it to get it back off of my Instagram, but this is just what I do to actually tidy up my eyebrows. I just use a tinkle razor. You can get them off of eBay for like a couple of quid or something. And then I just pluck any stray hairs that are underneath. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you liked it, maybe give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you fancy it. Cheers guys.